n plus 1 because if we just give n, if I want 4 factorial and if I just give n, it will just take till 3. So it will give you 3 factorial. So if you give n plus 1, you will get the 4 factorial here. So here factorial star into I is nothing but factorial is equal to factorial into I. So with every iteration, it will keep multiplying till you get the final answer. So let us run it and see. If I want 4 factorial, 24. Yeah, yeah. Is it correct? 2 into 3, 6. Yeah, 24 is the correct answer. So this is basically loops. Is there anything else? You guys understood everything? I'm done with my part of the portion. All the codes and materials will be shared to you. Don't worry if you want to write on later. Okay, cool. Looks like everyone got it. I'll be signing
Cool,
off.
I
Thank
think.
you so much. Shubhan, continue.
Yes. So I hope you guys actually understood whatever happened in this session. Obviously, it is Python is a very versatile language. It doesn't end here. So there's a lot more scope in Python. So I mean, like before we end this session, like I have one small this like, like application-based program that one of my friend would like to show it to you guys, so that it will help you understand how vast Python is. Now, understanding all these concepts till now, he has made a small program or a small these things that he would like to show it to you. Aryan, can you just present it in like 2 minutes?
Yeah, Pranav, stop sharing the screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. So I just created a simple chatbot that uh, uses all the uh, topics that you guys learned today. I'm sending the code in the chatbot. So I've added comments wherever possible to make you guys understand. And if you run the code, right, this is what you get. You have a input box. If you type something like hi, gives you a reply, then you can interact with it. Uh, so something as simple as this can be built just using whatever you learned today. So if you see here, we have the while loop, if else statements, your lists, and so on, right? So Python is very vast, and a lot of things can be done using Python. I hope you guys enjoyed the session, and feel free to try out the code, make your own improvements, and play around with it and see what you can do with it, right?
Yes. Yeah, that was a great example, Aryan. Thank you. You all use chatbots in our real life, so it's very fun to actually make your own chatbot using simple concepts of Python in just 2 hours. So yeah, with that, I think we are ending this session right here. I hope, I mean, I'm not taking any formal uh, feedback right now, but then I just hope everybody understood whatever was taught. Coding is very fun. To be fair, we've all heard that once you enter coding, it's very hard to come out of it because it's so interesting, it's so vast that you just go deeper into it. With that, I think we'll be ending the session of Foundations in Python. We've studied a lot of topics. The materials, the study material, along with the code files, everything will be shared to you on the WhatsApp group. You guys will all receive a certificate of completion as well, which you can access it through WhatsApp. I think Priyansh will take care of that. With that, I hope you guys have a good day ahead. Thank you so much for attending this session. Yes, it's Shubhan. That's my time. Thank you guys. I think you can leave the this thing meeting. Priyansh? Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
good. Thanks, guys. Bye bye. Thank you, Shri.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, Zizu. माइक अनम्यूट कर क्या समझ आया सब आई थिंक तुझे तो पता ही था बेसिक्स तो गुड मजा आएगा आगे आगे इफ यू वांट मोर एडवांस में ऐसा कि यू वांट टू बिल्ड वेबसाइट बिल्ड मोर बताइए मुझे आई एम देयर ओके चलो बाय बाय मैं कॉल करता बाद में ओके बाय बाय